Hello. Here we are going to show you how to generate a certificate of attendance from a list of Excel spreadsheet, right? So we're going to use a template, a Word document template. So there's this templates that's actually available. So all you need to is to screen to look down, then find the templates. So I have already used the template. Choose one of these formal certificates, right? And you can create this. But before that, we are actually getting the list of data. Okay, the auto-generated information is actually kept in the Excel spreadsheet where you have this program, right? A list of program of file arrangement level 1, 2, as well as this batik printing, and together with the program date as well as the recipient name. So we're going to print at least 5 certificates, and it's going to be auto-generated. Right? So first we go back to the Word documents. We are going to click on this create button. And once we have selected the template, and this is the template where we're going to auto-generate the 5 names, as well as the program and the date. How we're going to do that is we're going to use these mailing features. These mailing features, start mail, right? And you're going to use the wizard to help us. So this is a step-by-step mail wizard to help us. Once you click on that, and we're going to use the current documents, right? So we're going to use these current documents to do it, and we just start with the next document. Okay, using the current documents, this is going to be the current documents that we're going to use, and just continue to click on the next. Okay, stepping through the third step of the 6th wizard, right? And we're going to use a new Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to browse. Okay, so click on the browse, and once you click on the browsing, we're going to click on this Excel spreadsheet, and we're going to click open. Right? Sorry, we should click open. Once we click open, you should have got the tables. Okay, and this was the tables. So we are actually selecting this Excel spreadsheet with all these details. So we're going back and we acknowledge that these parameters are correct, and we just click on go here and click OK. Right. So once you click OK, we're going to start the next to write the letter. Right. We're going to add more items. Okay, more items. So we insert. So what we can do is we click on this. We select more items, the names that we want. So the name is actually the recipient name. We're going to click on this recipient name. You notice that these are the insert from the Excel spreadsheet, right? And we're going to also insert, we can close this first, and we want to change the program name according to the Excel spreadsheet, which is Excel. Okay, we're going to grab all these names, 5 names here, and we're going to put it here. So we're going to use the more item again. These are actually the program, which is actually coincide with this program over here and over here, right? So we're going to choose this program. Earlier we choose this and insert that. So it will automatically insert the information into this program. And the other one is the date. Okay, so for each of these we might have to choose more item again, and we're going to choose the date here. Insert the date here, and I think more or less is fine. We can on to the next part of the letter, and you can preview. You can see this is the Unistan finish the file arrangement level 1 and the date. Okay, and this is given over here, right?
我叫徐一
So
鸣，